I'm going to show you how to make this delicious spicy pumpkin bread. First, for our pumpkin bread, I'm going to tell you what ingredients you're going to need. First, we're going to need some flour and white granulated sugar. We'll need both baking soda and baking powder. Make sure that you have both of them. For spices, we'll be using nutmeg, cloves, ginger, cinnamon, and allspice. If you don't want to have all of the different spices, you can also use pumpkin pie spice and a little bit extra cinnamon. We'll need just a dash of salt, a 1/4 cup of butter, which is equal to 1/2 stick. We're going to put some chopped walnuts in, some golden raisins, a little bit of orange juice, and last but not least, pumpkin. Now this is 1 cup of canned pumpkin, and you really want to use canned pumpkin instead of cooking down your own pumpkin so that you can be assured of the taste and consistency. Sometimes if you cook your own pumpkin, it's not going to have that full pumpkin taste that you're going to get from canned. So for baking, it's always best to use canned pumpkin.